Today we get a chance to play in Catatonic Coloring Magazine. It's a photorealistic coloring book with the most stylish and unreal cats. We're gonna work on this cool street cat hanging out in the city. I'll be using a combination of colored pencils and pastel pencils to really bring this page to life. I start off by using bright colored pencils to fill in the background. These light colors give the appearance of lights and signs in the city. As we move on to these gold chains, I switch to a combination of yellow and orange to add different shades and make it look more realistic. For our hoodie, I will use a combination of several shades of green using pastel pencils. This lets me blend the colors to really make it look real. Check that out. You can choose any colors you want while taking some time to yourself and getting lost in these pages. It really is a great way to relax and pass the time. Let's make this shirt a light blue. What color would you choose? Because we have the liberty of choosing the colors we want, I want the hood of this sweater to be a light red color, giving this sweater a cool watermelon feel, just like the old Bubblicious gum. Now, let's add some color to this face. I use several shades of brown and a little bit of red in the shadows. This cool cat just needs a little blending and will be ready for the finishing touches. I'll finish up by adding red to the nose, and I want these glasses to be nice bright red. And here we go. Our masterpiece is complete. I love the green and red combination of the hoodie, and our chain looks really good. Let me know which is your favorite part. This page took about 40 minutes and put my creativity to the test. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Please help spread the word, and we'll see you next time.